It has almost been half a year since I saw the Henderson Thunderbolt 1000T tornado siren. So I took a 40-minute drive from Mount Juliet to see it. And as you can see, it hasn't changed. So this is indeed a retired siren. What's going in the front? Yeah, this is definitely a very unique thing. I believe that right there, that pole, that used to house a small red or amber color flasher light. So now let's get close to this. We have this green thing, a SS thing, some sort of box, and you really can't see anything because of the amount of trees, but there's 2 or 3 yellow boxes, and then there's a giant box. I believe that's the blower. And then we have the actual siren itself, I guess you could say. So yeah, there's that. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.